Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to add page numbers to Google Docs. So to start with, you need to open up your Google Docs document, and then we're going to click in the tools bar, click on Insert. From there, I'm going to scroll to the bottom where it says Page Elements. Scroll across to Page Numbers, and you have a few options here. So you can select whether you want your number to be in the top right hand corner, and you can also select whether you want the number to start on the second page or the first page. So for example, if you're writing a book and you have like a header page, you won't want a number on that first page, so you can choose that option. But for this tutorial, I'm going to choose this option, so bottom right hand corner and starting on the first page. So once you've chosen, you can edit a little bit further. So you can click on this options tab, click on footer format, and you can choose how many inches from the top or bottom that your number is. You can also highlight it, and you can then move the number about further if you want to, like move it to the center, move it to the left, things like that. Get it exactly how you want it. So I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.